If you're tired of losing trades, stop what you're doing right now. Watch this video all the way through because what I'm about to show you is simply amazing. So as you guys can see here, we have the Trusted Signals Market Analysis bot on the charts. But what you guys don't understand is that we have presets that are pre-built with profits for you guys, okay? Now, today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the Euro USD. As you guys can see here, this is connected to Automated Trader, and this is taking every single trade in Tradingview for me, hands-free. Now, let's go ahead and go to the VIP chat as well, because what I wanna go ahead and point out, this is the presets for the gold settings that you see right here. Okay, these trades right here are being traded automatically as well. And as you guys can see here, 529 trades taken from Tradingview to Automated Trader. And with a win rate of 46%, we are still up 47% in the account, okay? Basically, the easiest way to get started in trading is by just watching this video, adding your presets, and letting everything else happen. So how do you go ahead and get the tools to the chart? Where are the presets? That's what I'm about to show you guys right now. And if you guys are not in the Trusted Signals community, you're gonna wanna join now because we have crazy things that are about to release. And as you guys can see here, these are all the tools that we already have, and we're gonna show you exactly how to use them. Today, we're gonna talk about the plug and play presets, which essentially all you have to do is select the market, set the time frame, load your preset, and start trading. So the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do, since we already have the indicator already added to the chart, is we're gonna go ahead and put Euro USD, and we're gonna go ahead and just select Capital. I like either going with Capital or Pepperstone or Black Bull. Those are pretty, standard. Now, as you guys can see here, the net return is down to -0.4. Now, to add the preset, it's very simple. It's literally the simplest tool on Tradingview that's gonna go ahead and print for you, okay? Now, we have a bunch of videos as well coming out, and we're adding more presets to this, and also the V3 bot. Essentially, all of our tools moving forward will have presets, so that way you guys can load them up and just get to action, okay? So as you guys can see here, we loaded up Forex presets, Euro USD 5-minute scalp. We're gonna click OK, and we're already on the 5-minute chart. And that's all we have to do. That's all we have to do. And if we go ahead and look right here, you guys can see here, these are the take profits that we're smashing. And with this one, 348 trades, 44% win rate. Now, the drawdown can be eliminated by also changing your risk, because if you risk 1% per trade, then obviously your drawdown will go down. Okay, which I'll go ahead and let that load up right there. 9% drawdown, right? With a 20% gain. We're trying to get some bigger gains here, and we don't want to go ahead and blow the account, of course, but with our tools, the risk management is built in, okay? And essentially all you have to do to get this connected to Automated Trader, which literally takes only a few seconds, is stroll down and go to your AT engine, boom, and change your trade ID and add your risk management and your fixed percentages to match your results. And that's it. You're able to take these trades manually and automatedly with one click, one preset, and this thing works for a bunch of presets. So if you guys are not familiar with the chat, join now because you're not gonna wanna miss this out. We have a bunch of things releasing. We have more tools coming, and check this out, right? The proof is in the pudding. The presets are working. Even though the win rate is down on the market analysis, our net returns because of strategy. And also, let me go ahead and point one thing out for you as well, right? The way our tools are working, if we go ahead and go here to the short position, we're entering a trade here, and our take profit 4 is here. We have break evens and everything using proper risk management. And we're looking at a 3, basically a 1-to-3, 1-to-4 risk reward ratio on any given trade. Our stop loss is pretty short. And as you guys can see here, the take profits are getting smashed, okay? So if you guys wanna join, now's the time. Trusted Signals, the #1 trading algorithm out there, and automatedtrader.com, which is gonna be set to release next week for the relaunch. If you guys want to get early access to the test server, message me on Discord now. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.